Hello, it's Angie from Trips with Angie, and welcome to Dreams Los Cabos, located in the corridor between Cabo San Lucas and San Jose. This is the beautiful open-air lobby where you'll head to check in. This is Bordeaux. This is the French restaurant. It is adults only. It has both indoor and outdoor seating. There's the Rendezvous lobby bar, and then this great view of the ocean right from the lobby. Lots of selfies taken next to the Dreams Los Cabos sign, as you can see there. This is also where they have their evening shows and nightly entertainment. Seaside Grill is a standard of Dreams Resort. That's where you'll have your seafood. Portofino is the Italian restaurants. Dreams Resorts do not require reservations. You can just go when you're ready to go with your family. The World Cafe offers buffet breakfast and lunch and turns into the Mexican restaurant for dinner. They also have a big Mexican outdoor party once a week. The kids pool is the pool there at the bottom. There's also a basketball court just outside the beach. You can see that's where the slide exits. Now, the water is not swimmable here. The current is too strong, but you can enjoy walking up and down the beach, playing beach volleyball, playing beach games, and then they have these great shade opportunities with the palapas. They have the beachfront bar with the swings. That's where I love to hang out. I think it's so much fun. You see those great views here in Cabo. They have a small playground right there on the sand for the kids. There's also a splash park back in the kids club. This is the preferred club section, so you get some extra perks when you book a preferred club room. Here is another restaurant. This is the seafood restaurant, Oceana. Now this is over here by the quiet pool and swim up bar. It's not technically adults only, but it tends to attract mostly adults just because it is quieter. They have lots of activities. You can rock climb, play tennis. So let's take a peek at a family junior suite ocean view. It has the table and chairs with this sleeper sofa in a separate room, a large bathroom with 2 sinks, a shower tub combo, and the toilet. You also have a very large closet, which is great because this is for a family, so you have plenty of room to store your clothes. And then here is the separate bedroom with the king bed, and then it also has a large balcony, so you could be sitting out on the balcony enjoying your morning coffee. You know I love room service out on a balcony. Your ocean view will include some palm trees. Here is the Preferred Club. As I mentioned before, the Preferred Club gives extra perks like that area we saw on the beach. It also has a special lounge which features snacks throughout the day and desserts at night, and a bar with premium alcohol. So the alcohol in this bar is going to be one step up from what you'll find throughout the resort, but it's only available in this lounge. Down the stairs across from the Preferred Club is the spa. Here's a peek at the wet areas, the saunas, definitely lots of relaxation. You can buy a day pass or it's included. The Explorers Club is a supervised kids club that's included for ages 3 to 12. It also has a little splash park in the back. This is the nightclub, and then I can't resist that coffee shop. You'll find sweet treats and all your favorite coffee beverages. So what do you think? As a reminder, I post new resort tours every Tuesday. You can also get them in your inbox by clicking the link in the description. I'll also send you my top 10 tips for all-inclusives and how to choose an all-inclusive resort. If you're interested in booking with me, let me know.